Hey everyone, looking for a delicious, healthy and super easy meal? Today we are making a vibrant vegetable frittata that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. It's packed with flavor and nutrients, and it's incredibly simple to whip up. You'll need 6 large eggs, a splash of milk, and your favorite veggies. Think bell peppers, spinach, onions, and mushrooms. A little olive oil, salt, and pepper are also essential for seasoning. Feel free to get creative with what's in your fridge. First, heat a little olive oil in an oven-safe non-stick pan. Sauté your chopped vegetables until they're tender and slightly browned. This brings out their natural sweetness and flavor. While your veggies cook, whisk the eggs with milk, salt and pepper in a separate bowl. Make sure it's well combined and slightly frothy. This creates a light and airy frittata. Pour the egg mixture over the cooked vegetables in the pan. Let it cook on the stovetop for a few minutes until the edges start to set. Then, transfer the pan to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the frittata is puffed up and golden brown. A knife inserted into the center should come out clean. Let it cool slightly before slicing. This versatile frittata is a fantastic way to enjoy your veggies. It's healthy, satisfying, and a great way to start your day. Give it a try and let us know what you think.